Welcome to Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive, Tallahassee, Florida. Stay tuned. Join us as we take a POV trip around the dealership. You won't want to miss this. If you need service on your Ford or any vehicle, stop by our professional service department. While you're here, stop by our state-of-the-art showroom. We have some pretty awesome vehicles on display. When you're ready to get down to business, we have private office areas. We also offer comfortable seating, TVs, and snack machines. And oh yeah, you'll want to see this 2025 Mustang Shelby that we have on display. Call 850-877-1171 to schedule your sales or service appointment. We make it easy. Come see us at Tallahassee Ford today. We'll be glad to have you and be a part of our family.